Hi everyone, today I wanted to show you how to change the battery of a Toyota Camry, from the remote, the car remote. So what you do is look around, you will see a little notch like this. There you go, yeah, this notch. You just have to pry it open. Maybe I'm going to use a flathead, bigger screwdriver that fits in that slot and I can push it open. There you go. And for this remote, this is a 2002 Toyota Camry car remote. You will need a battery which is an Energizer 3 volts and the number is 2032. So we're going to take this out. I guess we should be able to slide it out. Let's pry this open. This one has a little sticker on it, so you just gotta peel it. Then we're gonna slide this in. There you go. And then just snap this back. Just kind of try and clean out the edges just with my nails. And all you do is just snap it back in. And that's how you replace the battery of your Toyota Camry. This is a 2002 model. Thanks for watching.